Hey friends, Tandy here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dispose of used cooking oil safely. Here's the deal, guys. Never ever trash cooking oil in the sink because this will clog the pipes, can cause sewer backup, and this can cost a lot of dollars to get a plumber to fix that mess. You don't even want to go there, right? As I was doing my research, trying to find the best and more environmentally friendly way to dispose of used cooking oil, I came across this product here called Greasy Fairy. So this product is a game changer, y'all. You will see what I mean. Just stay with me. So before trying this product, I would always dispose my used cooking oil by pouring it in a Ziploc bag, seal and trash. This works, but it's not environmentally friendly. With Greasy Fairy, it's a different story. No need to use plastics or bottles because the product solidifies the oil and you simply trash it directly into the trash can. So this product is organic, it's made from vegetable fats, and it's odor-free and fume-free as well, which is good, right? This is how it looks like. There are small white flakes here. It comes in this small sachet and bigger pack as well. So the bigger pack has this scoop here that you can use to control portions you put in the used oil. Check the link in the description box below on where you can get the product. So here's what you want to do. While the oil is still hot, put 1 scoop of Greasy Fairy per cup of oil, or 2 to 5 scoops if your oil has too much debris or artifacts. For mine here, it had too much debris, so I only put 2 scoops and that was enough. Stir like this until the flakes dissolve and then wait for it to cool. And this can take like 30 minutes to work. Alright, let's see how it worked. As you can see, the oil solidified very well. I'm putting my finger, it's solidified. Look at that. No spills, no messes. Good deal. Now I can just throw the oil in the trash. My job is done here. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.